Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge a lithium golf cart battery. First, always use a charger specifically designed for lithium iron phosphate batteries, as other types can cause damage. Verify that your charger's voltage output matches your battery pack's voltage, typically 48 volts or 36 volts. Before connecting anything, visually inspect both the battery and the charger for any signs of damage or wear. Finally, ensure you are charging in a well-ventilated area to prevent any heat buildup. Once you've confirmed safety, turn off your golf cart's main power switch to prevent any electrical surges. Next, carefully plug the charger's output cable into the golf cart's charging receptacle. Ensure a secure connection. Then, plug the charger's AC power cord into a standard 120-volt wall outlet. Look for the charger's indicator lights to confirm it is receiving power and has begun the charging process, often showing a red or amber light. Allow your lithium battery to charge completely. Most modern lithium chargers have smart technology that automatically stops charging once the battery reaches full capacity, preventing overcharging. Monitor the charger's indicator lights. They typically change from red to green when charging is complete. Charging times can vary significantly, usually ranging from 3 to 8 hours, depending on the battery's state of charge and the charger's output. Once the battery is fully charged, first unplug the charger from the wall outlet. Then, carefully disconnect the charger's cable from your golf cart's charging port. For long-term storage, it's best to store lithium batteries at a 50% to 70% state of charge, not fully charged or completely depleted. Always store your battery in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures, to maximize its lifespan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.